ready for this?
Yeah.
More than ready. Here we go. There it goes. There it goes.
Oh, that's pretty.
Red, white, and blue. Looking good. Now it'll go and go until all the reactant is used up.
It's like a blue.
So this is hydrogen peroxide as the reactant, producing oxygen and water. Water. We'll let it go. Once it's all used up, then I'll show you the oxygen. Good job. It's a lot of toothpaste. A lot of toothpaste still
That's a
going.
really big teeth.
Oh,
For elephants.
I need to clean that.
for elephants.
The elephants even has funny.
They have tusks.
Yeah.
Tusks.
Guess they just are.
All right, now, still going. Wow. Now let's try to find some oxygen. Okay, Audrey, if you just pan in here, I'm gonna set this down and you'll see how the flame loves that oxygen. It really starts glowing as the oxygen feeds the fire. And now you'll see it start. Now we have
That
toothpaste.
is-
It looks like toothpaste.
That is so fire. That is fire.
It actually looks like toothpaste.
Can you feel it? It looks like
It's hot, so I'm not going to
That
feel
is
it
so
just yet.
fire.
And the soapy stuff,
That is so
that's
fire.
that's the water.
That's the
And if you
soap.
see the gas coming out, that's the oxygen. Two products, water and oxygen.
That is fire. That is so fire.
And it'll go and go and go until
Like
all
and
the...
subscribe.
Here we go.
4K Ultra HD PlayStation 5.
Whoa.
So easy.
Nice.
Why was it yellow?
Who's it then?
I don't know.
burned it. Ooh, it looks sparkly.
Looks something toothpaste. Isn't that crazy?
Why is it called elephant?
You can get a lot of it. Elephant's the largest land animal.
So shouldn't there be whale toothpaste?
Blue whale toothpaste. Everybody loves elephants. Everybody loves elephants.
My friend is a missionary in Africa, and she watched an elephant stop on
Exothermic, very hot,
someone.
very hot. Yep.
What about the people who made the burn gases go extinct?
No.
The technical elephants.
The oxygen really getting the flame going.
That is. I can smell the oxygen.